Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are diving into these two streaming service platform, which is Hulu Live TV and Sling TV. So let's dive into it. So talking about Hulu Live TV, it gives you over 90 live channels alongside with Hulu's huge on-demand library and originals. It includes unlimited DVR, multiple profile, and the options to bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, making it a great choice for families and anyone who wants both live TV and streaming in one place. So talking about Sling TV, on the other hand, is more budget friendly and highly customizable. It offers two base plans, Sling Orange and Sling Blue, alongside with add-on channel pack, so you can build your own lineup. However, it doesn't have as many local channels and its DVR is limited compared to Hulu. So if you want everything in one platform, Hulu Live TV wins, but if saving money and the customization matter most to you, Sling TV is still the smarter pick in this aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.